Hello guys, how are you? Hope so you are fine. So today our topic is how to migrate a website from local WP to the live server. Okay, uh, this is a template of Astra. I installed on local WP. I can show you. This is this template of car wash. If you don't know where you get the Astra theme, I can give the link in description. You can just click on that and you can go and buy and the Astra theme. This is a very wonderful theme in my view, and it's Black Friday as well. You get the discount. So we get in the topic. So I can install the simple plugin name as WP Migrate. That the plugin all-in-one WP migration is a very popular plugin and up to 3+ million active installation. You just install on that local in local server. So if you don't know what is local server, I can explain in that video as well as how to install local WP, and this is my channel. Kindly subscribe it so I can activate, and I want to export. Okay, export to file. It's take around 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so this is my live website. I can show you there's nothing. It's a fresh installation, so I can install the plugin as well in this all-in-one. That plugin, there's a lot of other plugin, but the popular one is this. So I can just import file. Okay, just uh, just click on that and wait for a second. It's take 1 or 2 minutes. Just I'll let you know. I can pause the video. So after migration, you got that message. You can proceed. Just finish. You can just refresh and what happened? I don't know what happened. Okay, just check it out. The whole website is migrated on local WP to live server. Okay, hope so you like my tutorial. So kindly subscribe it. I give the link in description of Elementor and the best WordPress theme, and as well as the best hosting. So thank you. Have a good day.